Excel just got a major upgrade. It's called Agent Mode. This isn't just Copilot writing formulas. It can clean your data, build dashboards, and even explain exactly what it did. And yes, you can try it if you have to add it. I'll explain how to add it at the end of this video. Now let's see what Agent Mode can do. Here's our data set. It's company expenses from January through September 2025. It's messy. Categories are inconsistent. Some amounts are stored as text with dollar signs. Dates are in different formats. And there are a few refunds mixed in as well. Let's see what Agent Mode can do. In the Agent Mode panel, let's type, clean this data set in a new tab and create a dashboard with insights. And in just a few minutes, here's what it delivered. A clean version of the data with categories standardized, amounts converted to numbers, and dates in proper formats. It also gave us a dashboard showing metrics and total spent by department and category and monthly trends with charts. And what's really impressive, it also gave us a written explanation of exactly what it did, including the logic and formulas it used behind the scenes. What's really special about Agent Mode, it doesn't just guess. It uses Excel native tools like tables, pivots, and charts. This means the results stay editable. If you change the data, the dashboard automatically updates. For example, let's add a new line for John Smith in the tax department with a $150,000 expense, and let's just put it as other. As soon as we hit enter, the totals and charts update instantly. We see the tax department and other category added, and September amounts have increased. It's built for multi-step reasoning, cleaning, summarizing, and charting in one step. For a simpler task, Copilot or regular Excel tools may still be faster. And as with any AI feature, always review the results to make sure they line up with your data. If you want to try it yourself, Agent Mode is part of the Excel Labs add-in, which is still in preview. Because it's experimental, it's only available on Excel for the web right now, but it's expected to roll out to the desktop version soon. To access it, go to Home, click Add-ins, search for Excel Labs, and install it. Then click the icon in your toolbar and select Agent Mode. This feels like the best implementation of AI in Excel I've seen so far. It really does feel like the end of an era for manual reporting. But I'll be honest, I have mixed feelings about this feature. On one hand, I'm excited because it saves hours of cleanup and reporting, but I also enjoy solving Excel problems myself. So part of me feels a little sad about handing this over. But we have to admit, it's impressive, a real game changer. It takes away the repetitive work and it lets you focus on deeper analysis and strategy. So what do you think? Are you excited about Agent Mode or a little skeptical? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you found this video helpful, click the like button. I'll be posting more demos as this evolves, so hit subscribe to stay ahead. Thank you for watching.